She says she want a moment of my time. She don't wanna get left behind. She know I'm tight on the rhyme. A moment of my time. That's all my baby need. My baby girl. She know I'm always gonna make her please. She just want a moment of my time. She don't wanna get left behind. She know I'm the guy. I'm tight on my rhyme.
Purchase your tracks today.
A moment of my time, my baby girl, you know you're not never gonna get left behind. The way we bump and grind. She only wants a moment of my time. She love the way that I suck her down. I suck her for the amount of hours no guy never did so. She say I made her work. I make her rock a world. I make her feel like whining. You know she love dining. Why? Before and after. She
It's
goes bump and
the
grinding.
creator.
A moment of my time, baby girl never wanna get left behind. She know that I'm tight on my rhyme. She don't wanna see me doing no crime. She rather see me rhyme. Yeah, it's rhyme or crime. She need a moment of my time. She never wanna get left behind. The way we bump and grind, the way we do our thing, whole year round. The girl is crazy and thinking of me. No matter who she's dating, she only think of me because the things that we do, no one else does it with her. You know that I'm a star. I make her feel good. I also treat her good. I never even treat her queen, you know. She's a queen to me. The way she lie on my bed and she's lying with me, I'm gonna give her a good loving. She only need a moment of my time. I'm not gonna give her no bad timing.
It's OVA the creator.
A moment of my time, but my baby girl gonna be alright. I'm gonna rock her world. Whole night we'll be doing good. Whole evening. A moment of my time. Yeah. We rocking to the rhythm. We rocking all night. It's a nighttime flaming, good flaming. Yeah, it's an intersection weaving. It's a good nighttime flaming. I'm having fun. I'm just freestyling on the beat, having everyone listening and enjoying. So it's a nighttime flaming. I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. As you can see, I'm having a smoke on a good strong marijuana sensei. It's a haze. It's gotta be blazed. That's the way I feel okay when I'm blazing the haze. In the night time, in the daytime, it's just the life that I'm living. Making sure that I feel good living. Everyone is watching and liking. It's a nighttime flaming. It's a good flaming. It's a nighttime flaming. All the birds and the stars are doing the thing. I could hear everything. The place is quiet. The wind is blowing. It's a nighttime flaming. Everyone be watching. My Sin Production, Hakim Smith. Go on YouTube. You could be watching. It's a nighttime flaming. I'm doing my thing. Everyone is watching and enjoying. It's a nighttime flaming. You love the nighttime flaming. It's a good time relaxing. Having the time, not passing by, but something interesting is happening while the night is going. Our night is not passing, doing nothing. We know we got talent. We stay up all night and we do what we have to do. It's a nighttime flaming. It's a nighttime thing. Having fun. The marijuana is blazing. Marijuana blazing in my nighttime scene. It's a nighttime flaming. I'm a king, I'm a star. I do pop, I do hip hop, and I rap. It's a nighttime flaming. You know I'm doing my thing, staying clean in the nighttime flaming. You gotta rate me, don't hate me. Yeah, spread love. It's a nighttime flaming. Good flame. Nighttime flaming, marijuana is blazing.